If you're like me and 2020 started off roughly for you and you're just now getting around to making your vision board or wanting to make your vision board, that is okay. That is totally fine. This video is specifically for you guys who want to get around to doing it but feel like it's too late. It is never too late to make a vision board. It doesn't need to be 2020. It could be 5 years from now, you know, what you want to accomplish 5 years from now, 10 years from now, a few months down the road. If you really put in the work, if you're really determined, you can get anything done within a month that you would get done in, say, like 4 months if you weren't as determined. So never downplay yourself and your goals and your dreams because you feel like the time frame that people would say is normal to achieve those things isn't the time frame that you have set for yourself. Okay, so the very first thing you're gonna do before you even start setting up the vision board itself is writing down all of the goals you have that you want to bring to life on the vision board. I split my goals into categories, so I put family, personal, career/education, materialistic. It made it a lot easier to really think about what I want to change in my life within those areas for the time frame that I've chosen, which was basically till the end of 2020. Here I have laid out all the pictures I printed out and a few that I cut out from magazines. There is a lot considering the size of the frame that I did get. But I already cut out everything. To make the poster board itself, you will need tape, unless you want to use glue. Glue is fine. Scissors, if you haven't already cut out your pictures, and quotes and things of that nature. I personally went and I bought some packs of stickers because I like stickers, and I got these little lights from the dollar store that I'm actually gonna line the frame with when I have put everything on the poster board itself. This is the frame that I got from Hobby Lobby, and then the poster board itself is yay big. And ignore this, I stepped on it, but I'm actually gonna have to cut this in order to fit it into the frame. The first step of the process, for me at least, was to fit my larger poster board to the smaller poster board I found in the picture frame that I got. I highly recommend you guys make sure to use the right kind of scissors because I had to go back and retrim the poster board because the small scissors caused it to tear. A little hack for any of you who are lazy like myself, grab some tape, it works wonders. Voila! Here I'm laying out all of my printouts, trimming anything that's too big, and deciding what I want to keep. Yep, and that is me talking to myself. I do it all the time. Please don't judge me. After gluing everything on, I went ahead and added my stickers. So I just wanted you guys to see how it looks outside of the frame. I'm about to go in with this white paint pen and just make a little outline around the butterflies, because I don't even know what made me think of that, but I just figured I would do it. So I think that is about it. This is the final product. The lights were a beautiful touch. I didn't make a description video, but if you guys are interested in seeing the description of my vision board, go ahead and drop a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video all the way till the end. If you like this vision board video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.